is a base because we are making a closed circuit. The other thing is a switch, a battery, a light bulb, and 3 wires. I cut off the edges and the plastic edges, and then it could show these things, and then after that I wrapped it around the switch. I'll show you how I wrapped it around the switch. First I did this. Now I'm done wrapping the wires. Now I'm going to close this cap like this. To connect these wires like this. Look, now I have connected these wires, and now I'm going to connect the battery with the wires too. Now I have connected all the exposed part to the battery. Now this is the full view of the closed circuit. I have connected the bulb to the battery with the help of the wire, and then I have connected the battery to the switch with the help of the wire again. Now you can see this is a full circuit. There are no open areas.